In this lesson, I will introduce the constructor parameter. Then we will move on to the demo. This constructor parameter in the ThreadPoolExecutor class. Let's take a look at this parameter. Here are the parameters. It has multiple overloads. There are many overloaded constructors. Because there are many overloads, we review them. The previous parameters were already explained. Here, we focus on this one. We create a thread factory. Inside it, we create threads. But according to our customization, we set the thread name. The thread name helps make debugging easier. If threads are auto-generated, debugging is harder. We also set the daemon flag to false. Alright. Next is the rejection policy. We configure it here. Next step. Next, we also define a rejection policy. We will study these in detail later. After configuring this, we move on to the next part. We create 10 tasks to test. We submit them for testing. Then we shut down the executor and run it. Here, this shows that we have 5 threads. And the thread name is worker. This is the name we assigned. Thread naming is very important. It helps a lot when debugging errors. When searching logs, a meaningful name makes debugging easier. If not set, a default thread name is used. If we do not set it, Java assigns a default name, the default thread name. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.